Today we'll be talking about another JavaScript array function called join. And this method can be used to join all the elements of the array separated by commas or whatever the separator that you will specify. So let's take an example. Here I have an array countries, and I have specified all these countries. So I can use the join method this way, countries dot join, and then I will do a separator. Like, let me say a separator like this. The separator is comma here. Now when I will execute the code, I can see all the countries are separate. All the countries are separated by comma. And if I just print the original array, which is this one, the original array is not disturbed. So this join method is not going to disturb the original array. Rather, it will concatenate all the elements of the array and give you a single string. Now if I don't specify anything like this, then when I execute, I will get everything concatenated without any space. A quick use case, let's say I want to write something. These are the countries I want to visit. And then what I can do, countries dot join, and then I'll space this. Now let me get rid of all this console and just this console. So what it will do, it will print these are the countries that I want to visit, followed by all the country name separated by comma. So that's the way how you can use the join method. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.